Okay then, so how's everyone's day been?
Why don't I walk you guys back to Sage's home?
Is that? I swear I can see something there.
Yeah. Hi. I guess you could call me Shadow?
Yeah, you should go back to your homes now and hurry. Otherwise, something bad could happen.
Was it the newbie? It was, I bet it was
Probably.
the newbie.
Yeah, it was the newbie.
You know, Dante, if you lot keep on hiring people like that, there might not be a gate left to protect.
Well, there goes the gun.
Yeah. What?
Did you really think screaming was going to save you? Now then, who's next?
What the hell?
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
I'm not even surprised.
Don't worry, Sage. The guards will get him. Just go back to your house.
No, we have to help them.
You're serious?
Oh, this is pathetic.
Yes, I can't just sit here and watch people die.
Hey, Sage, wait.
Well, don't just stand there.
Afraid.
What the hell?
So then, any final words? Oh, would you look at that? More guests have arrived. Oh, don't worry, I'll get to you. So wait your turn.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Now where were we? Oh yeah, this is the part where...
No, I have to help them. I can't just sit here and watch them die.
Wait!
Where in the world did that come from?
Never mind that. Where did he go?
It doesn't matter. He's gone now. Besides, there's something more important to take care of.
What's this?
A map?
Looks like it leads to the nearby forest.
Are you okay, Ivan?
Yeah, it's getting late.
If you say so.
Actually, you know what? I've had enough. I didn't even want to go on this wild goose chase to begin with. So you take your map to who knows where. I'm gone. Bye.
What was that about? Like...
I have no idea.
Anyways, it seems the map leads to the forest just outside the town. So I'd look there.
Wait, you're not coming with us?
Sorry, but I have to deal with this mess now.
It's fine. Thanks anyways, though.
actually, I need to go somewhere as well.
Why?
There's something I have to look after, so unfortunately, I won't be able to look after you this time. Anyway, I'll see you when you get back, alright? Goodbye!
Bye.
Oh, bye then. Vivie, if we go now, then we can see them sooner than later.
Okay, I think I'm fine now.
Right, okay then. Let's go!
Who the hell was she? Why did she look like... No, it can't be her. She's gone. Must have been just been someone who looked like her. Yeah, it was just a coincidence. You're not going mad, Phoenix.
What the hell was that, Phoenix? I thought I told you to get the map and make sure you are not seen. Not go on a murder spree.
Well, it's not my fault, Allistar. You should have told me about the horde of monsters that were in the forest just outside of town. Surely Allistar won't mind if I have a little bit of fun with this. I had to use my only invis potion left to get past them.
Well, what happened to the other ones? You normally carry more, don't you?
Shoot! I've run out of invis potions. Now what am I going to tell Allistar? Right, so how am I going to do this? They won't just let a stranger in. But they won't just attack a normal person either. Right, let's do this.
Hey, stop right there.
It's a demon!
Wait.
Well, not this time, it seems.
Alright, it doesn't matter now. Do you have the map?
The map?
The map I asked you to get? Phoenix! Tell me you've got the map.
Okay, I've got the map.
You don't have the map.
Well, I know I had it before I entered the gate, but...
Well, go find it then, because if you don't, there will be serious...
Serious consequences. I know, I know.
You're late.
Yeah, there were a few problems along the way.
So, do you have it?
Well, here we are. What's wrong?
I don't think I can do this.
But there's nothing there.
I can't take this anymore.
What's this?
Well, Vivie, you're fine now.